How to assemble a Type 2 SPD. Place the circuit board into the base of the surge protector. Insert the trigger spring and transmission rod. Insert the metal parts and internal bus bars. Insert into the terminal block. Close the top and bottom covers of the base. Installing DIN rail buckle. Base assembly completed. Insert the built-in spring. Insert the arc extinguishing partition plate. Insert the metal fixture used for fixation. Insert metal electrode. Selecting the appropriate metal oxide Varistor. Insert the MOV into the inner shell. Place the semi-finished product into the welding fixture. Choose the correct low-temperature solder for welding. Remove the semi-finished product from the welding fixture and check the MOV again. Laser prints on the surge protective device. The outer shell closes with the inner shell. Insert the pluggable module into the base. Recheck the finished product. Place the SPD, instruction manual, and floating switch terminal into the paper box. Pack the product in double corrugated boxes. LSP, reliability in surge protection.